truth that the Earth exists?
Yeah, so, however, this truth can only be if, ignore the B. However, this truth can only be if it is accepted that the planet Earth itself exists. What is itself?
What? What?
I tried to write itself. I wrote itself.
Oh, okay.
My fingers are slipping. Why do I hear the Simpsons?
What? I mean, I'm not even gonna ask, Colin.
They're in my head.
Right then.
I wonder if anyone knew when they named Homer Simpson that they were naming them after Homer.
I don't know.
Because he's clearly not like Homer. He can see.
That's true. Huh. Let's not. No. We're not doing that. Let's just keep going.
What's an antepenultimate?
I'm actually not quite sure. Why?
Because on Wikipedia it says, the ultimate is the last and final item in a series. The related words penultimate and antepenultimate refer to the second to last and the third to last items in a series.
Hold on, did you say anti-penultimate or something like that?
Antepenultimate.
Is anti in there? Because anti does not necessarily mean the opposite of, it simply means not, correct?
Not anti, it's A-N-T-E.
Ow.
It's more Latin.
Oh. Oh, wait, that means before. Like an antechamber?
Oh. Wait, so what's pen mean?
Pen?
Pen.
How is it spelled?
P-E-N.
Ah, that is no pronoun I know of.
Because penultimate means second to last, and antepenultimate means third to last. Who comes up with words like that? Like, I'm going to come up with an ultimate for everything in the series.
That sounds like fun.
Oh, and then there's penult and antepenult, the second to last and third to last syllable in a word in linguistics. Linguistics.
Colin, if I may be so, I think we've gotten sidetracked.
My mind is dying, okay?
Okay.
Wait, I think I have a paragraph.
Really?
Truth has one supreme strength and one supreme weakness. Anything that exists must have truth because its existence is true. For anything to exist, there must be another truth from which its existence is judged. This is truth's ultimate strength, that it is the foundation for all that could ever exist. For example, life truly exists on Earth. However, this truth can only be if it's accepted that the planet Earth itself exists.
Okay. You probably want to add, like, you know, a finishing thought to that. Because it's kind of... Yeah.
Oh, well, do some hoity-toity fanciness like, therefore, truth is everything.
Well, you could say it permeates everything.
Yeah. That's not being redundant, right?
No, all we said before was that it was the basis of everything. Now we are stating that it permeates everything.
Good. So I'm in shock. I think we actually got all that we said and put it in words on paper.
In just one paragraph.
Well, I need the other one, too. Now we get to talk about how, okay, so truth permeates everything, and it is absolute, and it gives us all this goodness. Now the next thing is going to say, that's all false, because truth is relative.
No, all that is true. Oh, ugh. All that is correct. But all we're saying is that, all the beginning stuff is correct, but when done in a relative nature, yeah, that still makes sense. It still makes sense. You can say that all those truths exist in relativity to all other truths. So while they all exist, them all occurring in that pattern and with that line of reasoning is not necessarily guaranteed.
Yeah, I think the second paragraph will be easier because all we have to say is like, based on that example we gave with planet Earth and everything. So, life exists, this is true. Planet Earth exists, this is true. But this is relative to them existing in the three-dimensional universe.
Yeah.
Do you think unsalted, dry, toasted, sliced almonds are good?
No.
Well, I'm putting them on a casserole.
Okay.
I'm not talking to you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Who is it?
Me. I'm in a room with the one with dementia.
Oh, your grandmother.
Yeah.
I thought you said you were home alone and there was a roast.
I thought I was, but I guess not. Well, she doesn't go many places. She does have dementia.
I suppose.
How do you slice an almond? Why do almonds taste like Ritz crackers? You know what I truly hate?
What?
When people write in really fancy cursive.
Oh, you mean like your handwriting?
I know, but I can read mine. I can't read other people's. 350. Okay, I'm good. We can get back to finishing this.
Okay.
Okay, so I think we can just say, like in the second paragraph, however, this is all false or something.
Well, no, it's not necessarily false, right? I thought we reasoned that all those things can.
This can't be.
You know what? I have a suggestion. You know how like what's his face James said that he would define certain ideas and terms with other terms? We might want to go back to the beginning, just give a definition of relative truth and say, unless noted otherwise, all truths being referred to are relative.
But even if it is designated otherwise, it's relative.
Okay, so we could just say all truths are relative, enclosed herein.
How do we just nicely say, after all that we've done to prove that truth permeates everything, that it's not absolute. That's all we have to say.
Basically, so you can say that. You can say even though truth is the basis and the foundation for everything, all existence, it does not it is not required or is not possible for it to retain its absolute characteristic that we commonly attribute to it. Or that is commonly attributed.
We commonly attribute truth to mean that something is true.
Yeah.
But it's not necessarily.
Well, it's not absolute true. It's not true, no ifs, ands, or buts about it's true.
So, we could say, like, however, can we say, like, truth is unstable?
No. I mean, it's not, is it? All we're saying is that it's not absolute. It is, by nature, relative and adaptable. Truth is the epitome of Darwinistic natural selection. Great, Colin hung up. Hold on a second.
My phone hang up.
Okay. So,
Okay?
did you hear the last thing I said?
No, but I can't hear myself in the phone now. It's like reflecting.
That
Hello?
would be because Colin and I have you on speaker. You've been on speaker for the last, say, hour and a half. Because yes, we've been talking for 88 minutes.
Okay then. I'm saving what I have
That's probably a good idea.
on the nature
Ooh. True.
of truth. Okay, so second paragraph we have to say the big weakness of truth is that it's not definite.
Yes, that works. That's a phrase that works.
So how do we put that in words on paper?
Okay, you say really, you can just put it like that. The greatest, the ultimate, the supreme, the most monumentous, however you want to put it, weakness, with of truth, not within the nature of truth, just of truth, is its relativity to other truths.
So, like, however, truth, supreme. It's really annoying that I can hear myself.
Sorry, it's been like this for over an hour, Colin.
But I didn't hear it before.
Would you prefer I covered the, no, I can't. Alright, sorry. Suck it up.
Oh, wait, I get it. The speaker on your phone is hearing me talk.
Yes.
Oh, that makes sense.
Thank you.
Okay, so, however... What?
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 I didn't say anything, Colin.
Oh. Oh, it was probably me. The other me that lives in your telephone now.
Yep.
However, truth, supreme strength is... How do we say its strength is weakened by its weakness? Like, its strength is flawed.
Yeah, you could say flawed. Its strength is eroded or made defect in some way, but probably flawed is best, yeah.
Is that a sentence? However, truth's supreme strength is flawed by its supreme weakness.
You could just say